Bandar and Kachua's Big Race. Deep in the green jungles of India, there lived a monkey named Bandar. Bandar was a very naughty fellow. He would jump from this branch to that branch all day long. He thought he was the smartest and fastest animal in the whole world. He would beat his chest and shout, "Look at me! I am the king of speed." On the ground, there lived a tortoise named Kachua. Kachua was very quiet and humble. He didn't like to show off. He moved very slowly, tup, 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 across the forest floor. He was happy with his slow life, eating green leaves and enjoying the sun. One day, Bandar saw Kachua and started laughing. "Our tortoise." "You are a very slow animal," Bandar teased. "You can never win against me. Why do you even walk? It takes you 1 hour to move 1 inch. Kachua looked up and said softly, "Don't do too much pride, monkey brother. Speed is not everything." Bandar was ekdom angry. "You think you can beat me? Chalo, let us have a race to the big banyan tree at the end of the jungle." Kachua nodded his head. "Okay, Bandar, bye. Let us race." All the birds and squirrels gathered to watch. 1, 2, 3, go! Bandar zoomed off like a rocket. Kachua did not hurry. He knew he was not fast. He just started walking. Tup, tup, tup. He didn't look left and he didn't look right. He just kept his eyes on the path. Slow and steady, he whispered to himself. "Bass, I just have to keep moving." Bandar was already halfway there. He looked back and couldn't even see Kachua. "Array, that slow fellow is probably still at the starting line," Bandar chuckled. He saw a big mango tree with sweet yellow fruits. "I have so much time. I will eat a mango and take a small nap. By the time I wake up, Kachua will still be crawling." The breeze was very cool, and Bandar's belly was full of mangoes. He lay down under the shade of the tree. "Just 5 minutes," he muttered. Soon he was fast asleep. Zzz! He was snoring so loudly that the leaves on the tree started to shake. While Bandar was dreaming of winning, Kachua reached the mango tree. He saw Bandar sleeping soundly. Kachua did not stop to rest. He did not make a sound. He just kept walking, tup, 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 right past the sleeping monkey. He was tired, but he did not give up. The sun was starting to set. The big banyan tree was finally in sight. Kachua's little legs were aching, but he took one last big step. All the jungle animals started cheering, "Go, Kachua, go!" With a tiny tup, he crossed the finish line. He had done it. Just then, Bandar woke up with a start. "Oh, Terry, I slept too long." He ran as fast as he could to the banyan tree. But when he arrived, he saw Kachua resting under the shade, wearing a garland of flowers. Bandar hung his head in shame. "I am sorry, Kachua Bai," he said. "I learned today that pride leads to loss, and hard work brings success.